Alright, see what else I got. Got an envelope. Oh, I remember that. Transmission mounting plate. 4-speed. Aluminum. Something for a race bike. Unknown manufacturer. Vulcan makes these nowadays. I could put Vulcan in here. This is not a Vulcan because it's not marked. So it looks like it's an inline. It's not offset. It looks like it's just a replacement one. So looks pretty good. Nice thick aluminum one. Nice and flat. So when you pull it down, you need to wash it, have something to bite against. So put this in a race bike. Lines it up a little bit and a little bit stronger. It'll hold a little bit better. Yeah. So I don't know who made it though. Unknown. But it looks pretty good how they made it. So this fits 36 to what year they changed? 64, 65. They went to electric start, and they changed the width here because those transmissions are held by the primary, whereas these ones here are 10 primary. The transmission was actually guided by this slot right here, and that's how it went back and forth without twisting. So these holes back here for the adjuster go back here to adjust it with the hold on. There's a bracket comes across here. So there should be another hole over here to fit all years, so that can be put in there if we need to. So rigid frame and swing arm frames are different, two different bolt patterns. So one has 2 holes, fits everything. One hole fits one or the other. This one looks pretty narrow, so I'm guessing this is for the rigid frame application, but I might be wrong on that. But yeah, looks pretty good. I like it. There you go.